Hey everyone, welcome back to SK World. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to handle dropdowns that let you select multiple options using Selenium. Many websites have dropdowns where you can pick more than one choice. And I will explain you how to automate that process. So let's begin. In previous tutorial, I have explained about the getting a attribute value in a Selenium. So let's begin. Create a new Python file. Right click on this Python project new and then click on Python file. Enter the file name multiple underscore drop down and then click on Python file. Now here the two drop downs. One is single value in which you can select the only single value at a time. But in multi select dropdown, you can select more than one value like books and other values you can select in multi select dropdown. In this tutorial, I will show you how to select this multiple values in this multi select dropdown. So let's begin. First, import the WebDriver before navigating to this URL. Import WebDriver here, and then we need to navigate to this URL. Copy this URL and paste here. Paste here, and then open this drop down. First thing here we need to do, locate this element which is multi-select. We need to click on this and then after open this list we can select the multiple values in this drop down. So right click on this and then click on inspect. Click on inspect and then click on selector hub. You can easily locate find the locator value by using selector hub. Here you can locate this multi-select dropdown by using relative XPath and by absolute XPath. So copy this relative XPath and add variable here. Dropdown is equal to driver dot find element by XPath and then enter the XPath value here. In this scenario, we need to click on this element. So we will use here dropdown dot click. After navigating to this URL, add some bit here time.select and add 3-second wait here and then maximize the window by using maximize command. And then after maximize the window, we need to click on this drop down. After clicking on this drop down, add some wait here time.select 4 seconds. Let's run this script in this scenario. First navigate to this URL and wait for 3 seconds and then maximize the window and then click on the multi-select drop-down list. Let's run this script. Chrome driver is opening. Maximize the window and then click on multi-select drop-down. Next, we need to click on this books and we need to select this values books. If I select this books, you can view here this is span. We cannot handle this span by select class. So we need to locate this element and then click on this value. Right click on this and then click on inspect. Here relative XPath available. Copy this XPath and then and driver dot find element by XPath and enter XPath value here, and then click on this element. Same as well, we can select the another value at somewhere here, driver dot find element by XPath and enter second value. Right click on this and then click on inspect. On inspect, click on selector hub and copy this absolute XPath. Copy this absolute XPath and paste here, and then use dot click method for clicking this element, and then add wait here, time dot slip 5 seconds. Let's run this script. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and wait for 3 seconds. After wait, it will maximize the window and then open the drop down list and then select these two values. Let's run this script. Chrome browser is opening, and maximize the window and then open multi select dropdown and then select these two values. One value is selected and then select second value. That is for today's tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to SQL World and click the bell icon for more tutorials from SQL World.